All right, my lovelies. Okay, so we are almost at the end of this fantastic um, mama put stew. Okay, this is what my hubby calls it, mama put stew. Okay, and trust me, this is seriously amazing. It's so delicious. Okay. All right, so the last thing we are going to be adding will be our basil. Okay, and that is it. And I'm just going to use this to make sure I get everything, is well incorporated. Everything is well incorporated now. I don't know if you can actually see this well. Okay, our stew is two-way now. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, so the last thing is just to clean up. Make sure you clean your environment, okay? And they say cleanliness is next to godliness. As you're cooking, you make sure you're cleaning. All right. Okay. That is just it. I have rice here. I don't know if you can see. We have rice here, and I have vegetable here, and stew is here. So that is it. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Remain blessed, remain beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye. Peace out.
Kitchen where flavors collide, healthy and heartful, it's where I confide. Chopping up dreams while the onions slide. Oh, how soup simmer in my soul takes a ride. Oh, the herbs and spices, they sing so sweet in the pot of life where traditions meet. A dash of love with every beat. Oh, my God's cooking makes me complete.